Hey guys, good morning. All right, so I know I look like a hot mess. I just woke up and it is like midnight, I think, and I'm getting ready to drive. But this girl needs some coffee. All right, so I'm going to teach you about the coffee cup hack. Many of y'all probably don't know about it, but in every coffee cup that is like this at any truck stop, any gas station for the most part, is going to have this same hack. Okay, so what is it? Well, if you look in the bottom of your cup in there, inside here, there's this little rim down in the bottom of there. Can y'all see that? And what the heck is that for? It's not on the outside. It's just on the inside. Did y'all know that that's to measure your cream and your sugar for your coffee? So all you have to do is take sugar, pour it in there, and you pour till you get to the same amount every time. So you figure out where the line is, just pour it in there. Then you go ahead and put sugar in there, or your cream, whatever you want to do. I always put my sugar, and then I put my coffee in, and then I fill it up, and every time I have the perfect cup of coffee. All right? So hopefully that was helpful. Now hold on, let me go over here. And also I should have mentioned, there's a line at the top too. That's where I filled my coffee to. That's going to make it perfect for the cream. That's why I don't worry about putting cream in first, okay? So there's a line at the bottom, line at the top. And every time if you fill to those marks, those destinations on that cup, and you're filling with coffee and sugar, you're gonna get the perfect cup of coffee every time. Now that's unless they burn the coffee over there, which truck stops are famous for, but hey, I don't have that problem too much with TA. She just made these fresh pots. And we're gonna go ahead on the milk. Here we go. All right, coffee. All right.
A whole lot easier just to open up a can of Dr. Pepper, just saying.
Yeah, well, coffee's mine, Dr. Pepper's you. All right, guys, hopefully that hack helped. So, next time you're wondering what those little things are for in the bottom of your cup, now y'all know. So, stay safe.
Snacks.
It's got its snacks. All right, guys, so stay safe, and we will see you next time. Bye.